You don't lack motivation, you don't lack discipline, and you're not lazy. So why do you keep saying you'll start tomorrow and then tomorrow never comes? The truth is this. Your brain is wired to protect you from discomfort, not to help you achieve your goals. Today, I'm going to break down the psychology behind why you don't follow through and show you exactly how to fix it. Let's start with procrastination. Most people think procrastination is about time management. It's not. It's emotional regulation. When you avoid a task, it's usually because the task creates discomfort, fear of failure, fear of not being good enough, overwhelm, uncertainty. Your brain sees discomfort as danger, so it does what it evolved to do. It protects you by distracting you. Scrolling feels safer than starting. Cleaning feels easier than writing. Planning feels better than executing, because starting forces you to confront uncertainty. Fix number 1. Shrink the threat. Instead of saying, I need to finish this project, say, I will work on this for 5 minutes. The brain resists big threats. It doesn't resist tiny ones. Once you start, momentum takes over. Action reduces anxiety. Start small, win fast. Now let's talk about willpower. There's a concept in psychology called ego depletion, the idea that self-control pulls from a limited mental resource. Every decision you make, every temptation you resist, every time you force yourself to focus, you drain that resource. By the end of the day, your mental battery is low. That's why you skip workouts at night. You eat junk food after work. You avoid difficult conversations in the evening. It's not character, it's cognitive exhaustion. Fix number 2. Stop relying on willpower. High performers don't use willpower, they use systems. Instead of, I'll work out if I feel like it, use, I work out at 7 a.m., non-negotiable. Instead of deciding daily, automate it. Reduce choices, create routines, make the good behavior the default. Discipline isn't about intensity, it's about reducing decision-making. Here's another reason you don't follow through. Decision fatigue. The average person makes thousands of decisions per day. What to wear, what to eat, what to respond to, what to prioritize. By the time you reach your important goal, your brain is tired, and tired brains choose easy. That's why you scroll instead of study, watch instead of build, delay instead of decide. Fix number 3. Pre-decide your future. Remove future decisions. Instead of asking, will I work on my goal tonight? Ask, when will I work on it? Then schedule it. Put it on the calendar, prepare the environment, lay out the clothes, open the document, set the timer. Make starting frictionless. The easier it is to begin, the harder it is to quit. There's one deeper reason you don't follow through. You don't fully identify as the person who would. You want to write, but you don't see yourself as a writer. You want to get fit, but you don't see yourself as disciplined. Behavior follows identity. If you see yourself as someone who struggles with consistency, your brain will prove you right. Fix number 4. Vote for your new identity. Every small action is a vote. One workout equals vote for disciplined. One page written equals vote for writer. One focused session equals vote for productive. You don't become confident first. You act first, then confidence follows. Stop asking, am I motivated? Start asking, what would the disciplined version of me do right now? Then do that, even for 5 minutes. Most people wait to feel ready, but readiness is a myth. Emotion follows motion. You don't feel motivated and then act. You act and motivation catches up. The secret to follow through is simple. Start before you're ready. Make it small. Remove decisions. Build systems. Repeat daily. You don't lack discipline. You lack structure. You don't lack motivation. You lack systems. And you don't lack potential. You just haven't trained your brain yet. So here's your challenge. Today,
Pick one thing you've been delaying. Work on it for 5 minutes. That's it. Because the person who follows through is built one small decision at a time.